Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You should start by backing up your mod so you can revert if needed. Open Steam and go straight to the game's workshop page. You do not need extra tools yet. Prepare the files, increment the version, update the manifest, and write a concise changelog. Make sure file structure matches the game's expected layout. Once done, package only the changed files to keep upload size small, and confirm file names and paths are correct before moving to upload. Now you package and upload. Use the game-specific workshop tool, or SDK. It enforces the directory layout and metadata. Compress large assets and include only modified files to reduce upload time. Fill in the changelog so users know what changed, add a preview image, and choose tags and release notes. Once the upload is ready, preview the item on Steam to verify files and visuals. Make adjustments if thumbnails or file lists look wrong before the final publish. Publish the update and set the correct visibility. Then subscribe so Steam will download the new files to your client. You must test the mod in-game to confirm the new version and changelog appear and that nothing broke. If users report no change, first clear Steam's download cache and restart the client. Often that forces an update. Also check the workshop upload log for errors and verify your item ID and file names match the published entry to resolve mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.